In this tutorial, we're going to see how to install the Java version of actionlib. This is the GitHub repository for actionlib for rosjava, and here are the instructions for downloading, installing, and testing the library. So first, we're going to clone the repository in our local folder. There it is. So we have all the repository cloned locally. Now we're gonna compile the library. So we do catkin make, and this will do everything for us. So it finished. And now we want to run some tests. So first we're gonna have to open another terminal and run the ROS core. So we have the ROS master running in the background. And we're gonna copy this command that basically is gonna run a Fibonacci server from a tutorial. That server is written in Python and it's the standard actionlib tutorial. Now we're gonna run our client. First we need to source the development environment. This will basically establish some environment variables for everything to work. And copying that command, we're going to be able to run the client. So here the client is waiting to connect to the actionlib server. They're sending the first sequence. Actually is requesting a Fibonacci sequence. That's the messages from the server. So it's executing and creating a Fibonacci sequence, sending it to the client. The client's printing the sequence that it receives. And so that's the end of the tests. Now we're gonna test a server. So we're gonna run the server and test it using a Python client. So there we have it. We have our server running. We'll close the previous application, and now we're going to copy that command to run a Fibonacci client. So now the Python client will be connected to our actionlib server. It requested a Fibonacci sequence. The server responded with the sequence, and there it finished. So we tested the library and we can see that everything is working fine. There are some other demos that you can run there from the page. You can close the running program using Ctrl+C.